Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Radeon RX 7900 XTX Red Devil Limited Edition. And this is the box where the graphics card are coming in. I must say it looks damn nice, really premium, like a little suitcase. But let's get this bad boy out. Let's see if it's locking mechanism. Just go like this, but yeah. And things are already falling out. That's nice. Gonna do it like this for now. Okay, let's take this part first. This should, if I read right, it should be a backplate. Let's see. So this is the custom backplate for the graphics card. That looks nice. Don't know if you see it. It looks really good. It should be held on with magnets, but we will try that in a bit. We have here, we have the power color Red Devil logo out of my way. And here we have, let's see, we have a little sticker. Oh, and then we have a GPU stand. That should be pretty nice. So the GPU don't sag that much. It should probably be something like this. And then I guess this is going up. Yeah, it should probably be something like this. That is pretty cool. Let's take a look at the actual graphics card. Take a side. Oh, this should be a bad boy. What's this? This is some sort of RGB connector. And what do we have here? Holy bananas, this is really a thick card. It's looking so good. Well, let's see what we have here. Well, we have 3 fans for the cooling solution. It's a 90mm, and we have a really big heat sink. I actually think this is as big as the 4080 and 4090, perhaps. Maybe not that big, but it's really close up there. And what do we else have? We should probably have, we have 3 8-pin power connectors, so we can overclock the hell out of this. This should be nice. We should have an OC bias and a silent bias as well. That is nice. And it's PCI Gen 4. That's every other card out there. What do we have here? We have, well, we should have 1 HDMI 2.1 and 3 DisplayPort 2.1 as well. That is nice. A little bit thing about this card, it should actually be able to power draw over 500 watts. But we will see that. Maybe with a custom bias, maybe we even can hit 3.3 GHz on the core clock. I'm not sure yet, but we will find out. And it's a metal backplate. Oh, my card is 2936 out of 3000. So if this was a review sample, it would have been max 1500 cards. But this is EU worldwide, I don't know. It's 3000 for cards. So, and last thing we have, the backplate is full metal, and we should be able to use the other backplate. Let's see. And let's take a look at the backplate. Well, it should just strap on like this. And it does. It looks pretty good actually. And with the red light, this logo should be light up as well. So, last before I end the video, let's compare this to my Intel Arc 770. And well, it's not even in the same league. Holy bananas. That is really a difference, you can tell. It's like a mini version of a graphics card. Damn. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will make a review of this graphics card. Maybe I can get my hands on a 4080 as well. I'm not sure yet, but see you in the next video.